This is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show. Crypto and crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's crypto and crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's crypto and crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas crypto and crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making crypto and crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the hurricane. Can't stand you.
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Every day you choose, you hit the like and subscribe. Talk about going on a ride, going to the moon. We cover the cryptocurrency, technical analysis, and this space. How's everybody doing this morning? Have you had a rough morning? It's hump day? No, it's Thursday. Thursday night football is coming here. I love Thursday nights. Why? Because it's one day step to Friday and a nice weekend coming. Please be careful in the crypto space today. If you could please, obviously, before we do a damn thing, hit that beautiful likey like button. And if you are not a member of the Wolves of Wall Street and you would like to chat with Wall Street Pete on these live streams or not miss a live stream, you'll hit this sub, be a subscriber, bell all notification, and break this 1.5K subscriber. Be a part of the Wolves today. We're going to talk about some important information. Wall Street Pete covers the crypto space for you every day for these traders, all these people who want to get invested, anybody who wants to change their life and get into the digital, the future of crypto. Well, we're going to talk about that. Talk about some dry storage this morning. We're going to talk about some hot wallets. We're going to talk about the difference between the two. What is a good idea? What should you do? What's your particular trading habits? Are you a trader every day? Are you looking at dollar cost average every day? Do you just put a couple bucks in when you have a couple dollars, don't look at it, and then you come back later and you pay attention to your portfolio balance and you like to talk about, oh, I went up or I went down, and obviously lately it's been down. But I want to talk about all these sorts of things, get into the technical analysis, talk about the double bottom M that could occur. I do believe we're still coming down. I do believe that there is price action to the downside that is not correlating yet into all the FUD that we are getting. Currently, though, in the crypto market cap, we are continuing to go down 824 billion. Getting pretty close to the $750 billion mark. This is not a good sign. I do expect for us to come all the way down to about there. So we'll see what happens. Currently, in the last 24 hours, we are seeing a little bit of red. The FUD is real as steel, ladies and gentlemen. But like I said, I'm going to go over a couple things. So what is self-custody and why is it essential for crypto investors? Not your keys, not your coins. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, one of the most important things is to think about how will you store your coins or tokens. These are varying from how you trade. If you are an everyday trader, every day you're getting in and out of trades, you're not sure what you're doing, you're adding more, you're trying to get a couple more shares, a couple more coins, right? Just trying to accumulate. You're going to want to use a hot wallet. What is that? Well, we're going to go over finishing the rest of this. To store your crypto assets, you'll have to choose between a custodial wallet and a non-custodial wallet. In other words, you could choose to have third-party custody of your crypto, or you can self-custody your digital assets. So you can read more about that. Of course, we're not going to go over that exactly into depth, but I am going to go over a quick detail of what we can do. So here is the Trust Wallet. This is something that you may want to do if you are an active trader. Now, the Trust Wallet allows you to go in and out through pairs, things of that nature. Trust Wallet is free, ladies and gentlemen. There is nothing in this world that is free. I'll tell you that right now. When I want to get another ledger, when I want to get something with more protection, absolutely. But this will give you your keys. This will allow you to trade on a daily. Check it out. It's very safe. You'll get your own keys. You'll write them down on a nice piece of paper where only you have access to. Please make sure that is very important. You do not lose them or you will lose access to all your shiznick. So this is what I would recommend if if you are trading all the time. If you're interested in crypto, if you don't have your own keys, you're not basically trading your crypto. It's someone else's. It's on an exchange. You need to get it off immediately. Crypto.com is in deep trouble. I'm just trying to help everyone out. This is what we do. Good morning, Gary. Good morning, Chief. Good morning, Vince. Good morning, Selner. So I would mess with Trust Wallet if this is something I'm going to do every day. This is what I would like to work with. Now, on the other hand, we'll get into that in a second, but I want to talk what's supported. List of coins supported by the Trust Wallet. So if any of you are now currently in these assets, these cryptocurrencies, you will now be able to have pairs that are listed on the Trust supported by it. So we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Litecoin, XRP, Dogecoin, Solana, Matic, Rune, Thorchain, of course, Polkadot, Zcash, BNB Smart Chain, of course, Dash. Good morning, Frank, to you as well. XTZ, Tesos, Tron. I don't see Cardano here, of course, right? I was looking for that. No big deal. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe, though. This is an important video. These are all of the assets currently the Trust Wallet for free. We'll help you out and give you access to your own keys here. And this is something I would do if I was trading all day long. All right, so now getting out of that, those are the lists. You want to get a Nano Ledger, right? You're going to buy this. This is for everyone. This is not just your active everyday trader. This is also for you. It's not just has to be Trust Wallet. If you're an everyday trader, you might want to get one of these. You may not have your portion of money on a Nano Ledger, of course. Why? Well, because this is something that is going to be a pain in the ass. You're going to have to take your USB drive, which is one of these. You don't have to get the most expensive one. The $79 will do just as well. The other ones are more important, more money, not more important, more expensive because they do a little bit more features. I would not recommend setting it up to your Wi-Fi. That's what these more expensive ones do. I don't want to give any more access. Why would I want to link an internet non-offline storage to the internet? Think about what we're talking about here. Ledger is supposed to be for offline purposes, so no one has access to it. So let's just stick to the basic $79 one. We don't need the high gadget ones, $150, and give access to my internet so someone can hack into there and now get to my private keys. I mean, really, this is what's next. So I'll go with your basic Nano Ledger. I do like it. $79. I like the orange one. It's pretty cool. Blue's my favorite color, if anyone was wondering. If you want to give me a Christmas present, I'm just kidding. But please hit the like and subscribe. This is what we do. So it's important to back your money. You're trading crypto, I would definitely get a Nano Ledger. It's a must. Ask for it for your Christmas list. I don't know. Maybe that's something you want to put on Christmas list this year. I would definitely do so. I would get both. I would do the Trust Wallet. I would have an access account where I just trade, which is exactly what I do. Then I would have a Nano Ledger for my cold storage. You know, Bitcoin. I'm dollar cost averaging in. I don't plan on selling any of my Bitcoin. This is where your Bitcoin's going to go. So just to give you a quick little tutorial, maybe the next tutorial will be how to install the actual asset onto your USB drive. I think that would be most important, most efficient for many of you. Please let me know what you think in the comments section. I'm getting cold for Christmas. What a surprise. I love it. Hitting support currently exactly, right? We can say exactly as predicted or exactly as put here, but it's the truth. We have 15,780. I feel like Biden trying to speak right now. No, we got exact support currently at the 15,700. It's looking pretty strong. Can we get a bounce? We could. With the FUD going on currently, I expect Bitcoin to keep falling through. I had a couple walls of Wall Street ask me, well, I'm expecting this big fall, Pete. What's going on? It's not happening. This is a weekly chart. We have 3 days and 11 hours left. This is why I'm on the weekly chart, ladies and gentlemen. I think that this weekly chart is going to get broken. If you see this big wick for the week here, well, it's very catastrophic. It's very dramatic. We fell down really fast for the Bitcoin price. What happened? Obviously, FTX news. Nothing is good during the whole week. We're in the first week of that. I don't know if anyone understands. Currently down about 25%. If you see here coming down from the support level we touched. I expect this green candle that we're currently getting on the weekly that has 3 days and 11 hours left to finish all the way through and break down. You'll find yourself, like I said, on the short position to about 14,000. So looking at that, looking at Ethereum coming up next, 4 hourly on TradingView, just giving you a quick update. I believe we are going to have a massive fall coming through here. This looks like this will be a double bottom M on the 4 hourly. It's definitely a bearish divergence. If we don't break above this price anytime soon, you're looking to see somewhere around the 1273. If I don't get a 1270 price action for Ethereum, I'm going to most likely consider that this is the next move and that what's going to happen here is what's going to be the ultimate scare. We're going to start either coming down to or breaking below there. I don't know why I put that up there. I already have it circled to the right, excuse me. 1050, 1060 level for Ethereum. Once we start breaking through that, then you will find that this double bottom M is real as steel. And the crypto market will continue to fall. Like I said, a lot of people took their money out. You got whales buying the dip, counterbalancing the price action, which is not allowing it to fully collapse. So, but if you do see even on the RSI level, it doesn't look too strong. So Ethereum, Bitcoin, I am not sold on what's happening here. Please pay attention to what we're looking at. It's a very minute weak candle, very high volatile. If you pay attention, let's get rid of this before we get going. Wanted to see how high we touched for the week. 17,100. And then, as you can see, 15.8. So look for maybe, and I say look for maybe, and I did, we don't change the narrative on here. There is a small chance. You get this. I know if you watched the last video, I have people asking me, so I'll continue to go over it for you. I don't mind. It could have happened already, but that's what I'm thinking we're getting. A little relief to the 18.3, and I think we did that right here. So I'm kind of concerned because we may have done it already, and now we're not going to receive that. Nothing else left but a downside here. If I show you here what I'm looking at, I went too far back. We're getting a small falling, not even a falling, it's a descending channel. It's really bad. Look at this right here. This is for Bitcoin right now. Ladies and gentlemen, last time I did TA and I did charts technical analysis, I found out this to be a very bearish, very bearish pattern. We're looking at right now one of the worst descending triangle patterns you ever did see. So coming from that, we'll hit resistance a few more times, and then ultimately, like I said, we break through here. It's down to the bottom, and Bitcoin is going to head that way most likely. So 70% chance we do fall to the downside, unfortunately, with all this FUD happening. 30% chance, obviously, what is left. That we can break out of this. There is a chance. Now, it's not over, but ladies and gentlemen, I don't see a falling wedge building in here to where we come out and break through, right? This is my favorite pattern to talk about, besides the head and shoulders pattern. But if you look here, there really isn't a textbook falling wedge. I don't even see it. I'm trying to pretend that it's there. It's not. It's kind of concerning. So we have a couple levels. We have to break above the 18.3 to become bullish and finish highly above on this weekly here that I had. Even on the daily, we'll confirm that for you. Or, ladies and gentlemen, like I told you over and over, I don't want to beat a dead horse, but this obvious line right here, instead of the 18.3, we're looking at a 15.8-ish price, somewhere around there. If we do break through, you're going to have to put your sell stop through. So take care, everyone. It's going to be the weekend. We'll do another video perhaps either tonight or tomorrow, depending on what happens here for the crypto space. I'm tired of talking about SBF. I'm sure you're tired of hearing about it, right? Sam Bankman-Fried is a nerd, just a geek that was very fortunate, had many opportunities. Don't get me wrong, he was a very bright man, but he didn't capitalize. He did not capitalize on his opportunities. I'm pretty confident if some of the people in this chat, including myself, we had the opportunity to run FTX. I'm not saying any of us really could do it as easily, but I'm just saying it's pretty incredible. Some people get the best opportunity in their life, and instead of smashing on it and destroying it and capitalizing, they just destroy it. It's exactly what they do, the other way around. They completely destroy it. So, unfortunately, money is too powerful for most people. A lot of people don't know what to do with money when they get it. It's a shame. I'll tell you right now, I get the money, I'm going to feed some people that are very in need, very cold. It's cold outside. I'm sure people are starving that don't have a home, don't have a job. Very less unfortunate, speaking of opportunities. This is what the channel wants to do as we continue to grow as the subscribers go. Thank you very much for your support. This is one of the best channels in the crypto space. Thank you so much, everyone. Keep up the positivity in your own world. I'll tell you right now, the world's getting tougher and tougher, and they're making sure that you're miserable as AF. Are you going to allow it? That's up to you. Wall Street Pete, till the next video, ladies and gentlemen. Please be very careful trading in this high volatile market. Until the next video, take care.